Windows play a major role in your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall appearance. In Fort Worth, where hot summers and fluctuating temperatures are common, having windows that perform well is essential. However, like any part of your home, windows don't last forever. Recognizing the signs that it's time for replacement windows can help you avoid rising energy costs, discomfort, and more serious issues down the line. One of the most common signs homeowners notice is increasing energy bills. If your cooling costs seem higher than usual, your windows could be to blame. Older windows often lose their ability to properly insulate your home, allowing heat to enter during the summer and cool air to escape. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient models can help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce monthly utility expenses. Another clear indicator is drafts or uneven temperatures inside your home. If certain rooms feel warmer than others or you notice hot air coming in near your windows, it's likely that the seals have worn out. In Fort Worth's climate, this can make your home feel uncomfortable, especially during peak summer heat. New windows provide better sealing and insulation, helping maintain consistent temperatures throughout your space. Difficulty opening or closing windows is also a sign that replacement may be necessary. Over time, window frames can warp due to heat exposure or general wear and tear. This can cause windows to stick, jam, or refuse to stay open. Not only is this inconvenient, but it can also be a safety concern in case of emergencies. Modern replacement windows are designed for smooth operation and improved functionality. If you notice condensation or fogging between glass panes, it's a strong sign that your windows have failed. This usually means the seal between panes has broken, allowing moisture to get inside. Once this happens, the window loses its insulating properties and becomes less effective at maintaining indoor comfort. Replacement windows solve this problem with properly sealed, high-quality glass units. Another issue to watch for is outside noise becoming more noticeable. If you can hear traffic, neighbors, or other outdoor sounds more clearly than before, your windows may not be providing adequate insulation. New windows with multi-pane glass and tight seals can significantly reduce noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing indoor environment. Visible damage or deterioration is another obvious sign. Cracked glass, rotting frames, or chipped materials not only affect your home's appearance but also its performance. In Fort Worth's climate, prolonged sun exposure can accelerate wear and tear on window materials. Replacing damaged windows improves both the look and functionality of your home. You should also consider replacement if your windows require frequent maintenance or repairs. Constantly fixing issues like broken locks, worn seals, or damaged frames can become costly over time. New windows are built with durable, low-maintenance materials such as vinyl or fiberglass, reducing the need for ongoing upkeep. Another sign is fading furniture or flooring inside your home. Excessive UV exposure through older windows can cause damage to your interior over time. Modern replacement windows often include UV blocking features that help protect your belongings while still allowing natural light to enter. Outdated windows can also impact your home's curb appeal and value. If your windows look old or mismatched, they can make your entire home appear less attractive. Upgrading to new windows instantly refreshes your home's exterior and can increase its resale value, making it a worthwhile investment. Finally, if your home still has single-pane windows, it's definitely time to consider an upgrade. These older designs offer little insulation compared to modern double or triple pane options. Replacing them can dramatically improve energy efficiency and indoor comfort. In the end, recognizing these warning signs early can help you make a proactive decision before small problems become costly repairs. For Fort Worth homeowners, replacement windows offer improved energy efficiency, better comfort, enhanced appearance, and long-term savings. If you've noticed any of these issues in your home, it may be time to explore your options. Investing in new windows is a smart step toward creating a more comfortable, efficient, and visually appealing living space.